Okay, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I hope you are in a good condition in pandemic situation. Well, for this meeting, we talk about translation shift based on the theory of Catford. If you are talking about shift, there is a changing. So according to Catford, there are two main of shifts, and then both shifts can be divided into sums. Okay, you can see here the two main types of translation shifts. The first, it is level shifts, and the second is category shift. Level shifts, where the source language item at one linguistic level, example grammar, has a target language equivalent at different level, example lexis. And then the second type, it is category shifts. And then category shift can be divided into four types. The first, it is structure shift, the second class shift, the third unit shift, and then the last intra-system shift. Structure shift, which involve a grammatical change between the structure of source language and that of the target language. And then class shift, when a source language item is translated with a target language item which belongs to different grammatical class, like verb may be translated with a noun. Unit shift, which involve changes in rank. Intra-system shift, which occur when source language and target language possesses system which approximately correspond formally as to their constitution, but when translation involves selection of a non-corresponding from the target language system. For instance, when the source language singulars become target language plural. Well, I think it will be clear if you see the example. Okay, for the example, you can see my article which is published in Humaniora. It is already published in 2018 with the title. You can see here the title. You can see here. Later you can access it. Humaniora Journal. The title is the impact of translation shift and method on translation errors found at bilingual history textbook written or it is made by me. For more example you can see, but let me show you later after this. Okay, but you can conduct it, you can search it by your own self. Okay, here is the article with the title. You can see here, and let's see the abstract first, but our focus on translation shift, right? Okay, so let's see we go directly to this one. The objective data from the bilingual history textbook chosen randomly sampling in the form of words, phrase, clauses, sentence, and text. The finding of this research show that the dominant translation shift is unit shift. Okay, unit shift. Structure shift 30%, class shift. Okay, you can see here 7.77%, and intra-system shift 3.88%. Okay, we are focused on the shift. So how the example of unit shift, structure shift, class shift, intra-system shift. Let's see in the next example here. Okay, now let's see the example of structure shift, but for the complete one you can download it from the Humaniora journal. Okay, let's see structure shift. There are 54 texts translated into English by using structure shift strategy. It means in bilingual textbook of history textbook. Okay, here is the example. Let's see. Source text: berburu, bercocok tanam, dan tinggal di gua-gua harus mereka lakukan untuk dapat bertahan hidup. We can see here berburu, it is a complement, subject, predicate, complement. So this is the structure. However, when translator translate the source text, become they live from hunting and farming. Okay, it is clear subject, predicate, and complement. However, the source text it is from complement to subject. Okay, from the example above, the structure of source text is complement, subject, verb, and then complement, and translated into subject, verb, and complement. So it is the example of structure shift in translating from source to the target text. I hope it is clear from this example. In target text structure, structure shift is a core. Structure shift is a core in the word changing of word sequence in sentence. The structure shift is occur because the changes of structure sequences in the sentence. The shift can be optional or obligation. It depends on the translator's option or a certain linguistic style. Reconstruction is done by a translator into a target text is based on his or her competence. The absence or presence of translation shift is based on the translator individual strategy. So this is the example of structure shift. Now we continue to the next class shift. We go directly. I hope you can read it later on by yourself by downloading that. We continue to the example of class shift. We can see here the example source text. Kerajaan Sunda mengalami keruntuhan pada tahun 1579 Masehi akibat serangan pasukan Islam dari Banten. You can see the word akibat. I already make it in italic. And target text becomes Sunda fell in 1579 after attack by Banten. Okay, 93. It means the data 93. Okay. The finding above shown us how class shift occur in translation. The source text akibat, it is from noun, is translated into the target text become after at birth. So here is the example of class shift from noun to at birth. The class of noun akibat is translated into at birth after. Now we continue to the next example, unit shift. Unit shift, you have already known the definition of unit shift. Now we continue to the example. Now let's see, bangsa Indonesia in source text, and in target text it is translated become Indonesian. We can see here the unit shift or down rank shift is occur in the finding text above. The source text in the form of phrase. Okay, it is phrase. Bangsa Indonesia, it is a phrase. Is translated into target text in the form of word Indonesia. It means down rank shift from phrase to word. The unit shift. Okay, so this is the finding. The unit shift in the dominant. So this is the finding of in this article. So I hope you understand the example of down rank shift. Now we continue to the next shift, intra-system shift. Intra-system shift, this is the lowest shift as a translator strategy in translating intra-system shift. So it means it is in this article, right? Maybe if we investigate another source of data, maybe the finding will be different. Now let's see here the example of intra-system shift can be seen in this here. In source text, di luar Jawa, di pusat-pusat kota dagang dan kerajaan Islam juga didirikan pondok-pondok pesantren. Let's see the word of kerajaan. Outside Java, in trading hubs and Islam kingdoms, there also built pesantren. Okay, we can see here kerajaan. Kerajaan, it means to indicate a singular in source text. However, in target text, from singular it is translated become plural. Kingdoms, by adding s, it is to indicate plural. Now let's see the explanation above. From the finding above shown as the intra-system shift in the concept of plural form. Meanwhile, another concept of intra-system shift is found in the analysis data. Okay, such as the usage of noun as a reference of generic. Okay, so this is another part of this research. For better understanding, you can read my article from the Humaniora. So this is the example of intra-system shift. I hope you know the concept of shift and the example of shift based on the Catford theory. Okay, now we come to assignment. Okay, here is the source text, and I have already translated by using machine translation like Google Translate, Google Drive, Bing Translator, and Translate.com, and then Yandex. There are many kinds of machine translation that you can use in translating, like this and another. But for your assignment, I hope you identify the shift based on Catford, which is a core in this machine translation. So your finding is like based on Google Translate, the shift, class shift is blah blah blah, structure shift is blah blah blah. I think you can identify your work to identify the shift which occur in Google Translate, Google Drive, Bing Translator, Translate.com, and then Yandex. And then you can see here the yellow. It is wrong words from the source text. Of course, in here it will be wrong. I mean, we tolerance for this one, especially for this one, because the mistake occur in source text. That's all for this meeting, and please try to understand our materials and do the assignment. And goodbye, thanks a lot, keep healthy, and I hope we can see in the next semester by face to face. Thank you, see you next time.